Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies. And we are going to show you our 15-ounce white plastic travel mug.
Stay tuned. And we're back. So today in this video, we are going to be working with our 15-ounce plastic sublimation travel mug. So let's get started.
Okay, with this, we are going to remove the top. And we did our designing in Photoshop, and we printed using our Sawgrass printer. So we did trim this down to fit, and we're going to center this on here. And we will be using the thermal tape. Make sure not to overlap the thermal tape with your design because it will cause discoloration in your design. And then insert your insert here, and this is going to maintain the shape as it heats. And then we're using our mug press, and it's at 335 for 120 seconds with medium pressure.
And as Meredith stated, we are using our mug press. This is our BJ870. It's a 4-in-1 mug press, and we are using the 11-ounce and 15-ounce element today. Okay, and here's the best part, unveil.
Okay, you'll want to remove your insert immediately. And then very quickly remove your transfer as well. And then there you go.
You now have one personalized tumbler. So thank you for watching our video tutorial. Don't forget to check out our product instructions and templates available online at coastalbusiness.com, and we will see you next time.